Hey Poli Glow family, it's Len, one of the owners of Poli Glow. Okay, we're back now. We've got 10 coats of Poli Glow on this boat and it is looking spectacular. Now let's talk about the maintenance process, which is part of the Poli Glow restoration process. There are 3 aspects to the maintenance process. The first aspect is your ongoing, what I call monthly maintenance. Number 2 is the annual maintenance. Number 3 is the stripping and reapplication process of Poli Glow. For your ongoing monthly maintenance, one of the first things you want to do is wash it regularly. We have Poly Wash, which is a high foaming, pH neutral wash that is tough on dirt and easy on Poli Glow. After it's washed, you want to apply Poly Slick Seal. It's an extra layer of protectant. It goes on with the use of a spray bottle. It adds another layer of protection and it also contains UV inhibitors. It is a ceramic sealant that lasts about 4 to 6 months and you can easily reapply. Once Slick Seal is applied, you can then apply our Poly Super Spray. Poly Super Spray is a waterless detailer. After long trips, if the surface is a little dusty, spray on Poly Super Spray and wipe off with our high quality microfiber towels. It will also provide a hydrophobic high gloss shine. The second maintenance aspect is your annual maintenance. This is where you're going to reapply Poli Glow. Every 8 to 12 months, depending on your climate zone, you want to apply 3 to 4 coats of Poli Glow. You're going to wash it every year with Poly Wash, as well as Poly Wash Pro to remove any slick seal or other waxes you may have applied over top of Poli Glow throughout the year. Once you strip the surface with Poly Wash or Poly Wash Pro, you can then apply 3 to 4 coats of Poli Glow. If you live in a more temperate climate, usually more north or further away from the equator, you want to apply Poli Glow every 12 months. If you live in a more tropical location, or in other words, closer to the equator, you want to apply Poli Glow every 8 months. Applying 3 to 4 coats of Poli Glow will make it look and continue to look beautiful with a high gloss shine. Don't let it oxidize. Don't let it look faded before you attempt to adjust the problem. Be proactive and stay on top of it and keep applying Poli Glow every year and it will look beautiful for 5 to 6 years. This leads me to our last aspect of the maintenance program, which is the stripping and removal of Poli Glow and reapplication. Every 5 to 6 years, you want to remove all of the Poli Glow off the surface of your boat and RV and reapply the base number of coats. Again, refer to our coating chart under the How to Use tab at our website at polyglow.com. That's going to help you remember how many base layers of Poli Glow you need to apply to protect your vehicle. Again, be proactive. Don't apply Poli Glow and just let it sit on the surface without maintaining it or cleaning it. If you let it oxidize, it's going to be more difficult to remove. The fiberglass or gel coat deep to the Poli Glow will also oxidize and you'll have to start all over. If you're proactive, it will be very easy to just simply strip Poli Glow and reapply. Again, our goal here at Poli Glow is to make your life easy. If you follow our simple steps, you too can have a gloss that's boss.